Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I will show you how to rearrange the order of the navigation buttons. So at the bottom, you can see the order of the navigation button in this device, recent button, home button and back button. So let me show you how to rearrange this one. Simply go to settings, then scroll down, tap on the option additional settings, then tap on the option system navigation. Then here you can see button layout. Now the order is back recent button, home button and back button. So here you can see one more options you can see here. So here I am going to select this one. Now you can see the order is back button, home button and the recent button. So I will show the closer view, then you can see, right? So if I select this one, now you can see you can so from here you can easily rearrange the order of the navigation buttons in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.